remember how we used to come down to our special cove on the beach. I remember how we used to spend hours and hours making love to each other. Not just fucking, really loving and reaching out and giving to each other. There was only our warm bodies, the soft sand, and you. All of you, my little friends. You were the warriors, flying around us, singing to us, and always watching us. And you know, I can't help but remember how you always seemed to watch us 2 by 2, side by side. You were never alone, as if each of you knew exactly what was going down, and as if you were memorizing our act so that you could replay it in the skies. All I know is that we watched you flying and soaring high, and you know, we smiled because we were right up there with you.
Let me share your wings. I'll share with you all my earthly things. Love and trust. Well, I got plenty of. I'll teach the eagle how to kiss the dove. Sometimes I feel like I'm a puppet, and someone just cut my strings. People like me are just birds with broken wings. My husband, he took my best years. Now my lover took my wettest tears. With broken wings, people dancing on puppet strings.